Welcome to part 4 of this Swiss timetable series. This time, I'll show you how to make your trip even more relaxed by finding all details of the trains and stations, including maps showing you where to go. This time, I'd like to go from Zurich to Neuchâtel. I want to know all the stops, so I click on the travel option and then on the train. That shows me there are 5 stops between Zurich and Neuchâtel. You'll also see the final destination of this train, and by clicking here, you get to see where it stops after you get off. 2 more stops before it reaches Lausanne. Let's go back and click on this travel option, where I have to switch trains in Bern. If I click on the first train, it shows me the route it takes, but there are no stops, so this is a non-stop train from Zurich to Bern. I can also see where it came from, plus all the stops before Zurich, and where it's going after Bern, and all the stops. Boarding is much easier when you know not just the platform, but also exactly where to stand. For my trip to Chur, I can click to the train details and find that it will depart from platform 9. If I scroll down, you'll notice that the second-class carriages will be at sector C and B of the platform. The restaurant and first class will be at sector A. You can also get these details for the arrival station. Keep in mind, this info isn't available for every train and it only shows up for trips happening soon. Now let's take a slightly more complex trip. From the St. Moritz station to the Bürkliplatz Square in Zurich. With this button, you get step-by-step instructions and maps for each part of the trip. It begins with the map of the station in St. Moritz. By clicking the arrows, you can move to the route of the first train. Next is the map of the Landquart station, where you need to switch trains. Then we get to see the route map of the second train. Clicking further, we get the map of the Zurich main station and maps of all floors of this station. It also shows the short walk to the tram stop just outside the station. Finally, you'll get a map of the tram route and the final stop, Bürkliplatz. In part 5 of this series, I will show you what to do if you'd like to avoid tight train changes, what to do if the timetable can't find any connections at all, and if you should care about the different train types and line numbers. Will you use these features like the stops, train details and maps on your next trip? I'd love to hear in the comments. Check the links in the description for the easy-to-use basic version of the timetable and my latest timetable tips.